Hi guys, welcome back to Awida's Kitchen. Well, today I'll be preparing some brown stew beef. Here I have my meat, my beef, all washed and clean. And here I have my season. I have my Maggi all-purpose, my garlic powder, my celery season, my special jerk, and some salt. And over here I have my green season and my browning. I'm just gonna season this overnight to let it marinate properly. Yes guys, so I'm gonna start now by seasoning my meat. So let's go. So now I'm gonna start by adding my green seasoning. I know my green seasoning consists of scallion, thyme, onion, pepper, pimento seed, ginger, and garlic. And I'm going to also add my powdered season. Let me get everything out there. I'm using one of my hands to hold my camera, so bear with me. And then I'm also gonna add my browning. Gonna add my browning. Yes guys, and my hands are clean, so I'm gonna work in this properly. So I'm going to just cover this and put it in my fridge. And welcome back guys. So this is my meat that has been marinated. So now I'm going to start the cooking process. And these are the season that I'm going to use on it. You have carrots, you have Irish, and you can't cook stew beef without sweet pepper. Onion, scallion and thyme, and a hot pepper. I'm going to start now by adding my meat. So I'm going to just leave this to let it brown up. Okay guys, and then I'll check back with you. I'm gonna check up on it after maybe like a minute or so, and this is how it looks now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to leave it to reduce down and start frying up. Then I'm going to start by adding my water for it to cook. So guys, this is what I was waiting on for it to fry up. So now I'm gonna use some hot water to start my cooking process, right? I'm gonna add some water. Cover the meat, and then I'm gonna leave it to cook for maybe like an hour, and then I will see how tender it is. So guys, my water has been reduced. It's not an hour yet, but I'm gonna add some more hot water to it and let it cook for the next half an hour, so it could get much more tender. And then I start by adding my seasoning. Yes, I'm gonna put some more hot water and let it cook for the next half an hour. So guys, my meat is properly cooked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add in some thyme, some more green scallion, some onion, some carrots, Irish, and pepper, some sweet pepper, and I'm going to also add some ketchup Not a whole heap, but some ketchup. Yes, guys. And I'm going to allow this to just to make my season cook. And then I will show you the finished dish. Alright, so guys, you know, so as time goes by, you go taste the salt and so. Alright, and the next thing when me adding my brown stew beef is some brown sugar, and it gives it a good flavor. You know, you're not going to make it too sweet, but it gives a nice flavor. Okay, guys? So I'm just going to make this thing properly cooked down, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. So guys, my stew beef is finished. See how it cooked down, reduced nicely. So I'm going to plate some for you guys to see the finished dish. Here guys, here is my finished dish, my brown stew beef. And I'm serving it with some rice and peas and some veg, with a slice of pear. Remember guys, don't be afraid to like my videos, share it, and you can leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.